Thanks for checking in with Maine's total weather on this Wednesday evening. Clear, cold, breezy out there with those gusty winds out of the west. It's ushering in the colder air. Note the feels like temperature in Portland hovering in the single digits right through the evening. Overnight, we'll see a bit more in the way of cloudiness. It's a dry weather pattern. High pressure is building in. This storm system off to our west, although it looks as though it's headed our way, it actually is going to clip just south of New England. We'll be on the northern fringe, and that's the cloudiness we'll talk about for first thing tomorrow morning. As the morning progresses, by lunchtime in the afternoon, we're back into the sunshine. It's a cold day by mid-December standards, running about 10 degrees colder than normal. Early morning lows are only about 12 in Portland. We climb to 28 tomorrow afternoon, but it won't be as windy as it was this afternoon, so probably feels a little bit warmer. Nevertheless, a chilly couple of days. Friday, we're only at 26. It's after a cold and dry start to the morning, down in the single digits. Right now, the weekend looks good with sunshine, a little bit milder. We'll see readings in the upper 20s. Perhaps some light snow here late Monday night, and potential for some stormy weather here middle part of next week.